The renowned automaker Tesla has been stratospheric highs, catered to purgatorial lows, and rumbled over everything in between for a very long time. The business has shattered records and popularized electric vehicles despite its ups and downs. And now they reveal their billion-dollar Megafactory. Stay tuned till the end to know the full details about this stunning factory. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video today, we will talk about the billion-dollar Megafactory of Tesla. But before we start, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon to get more videos like this. With that said, let's start. The construction of a new 40 GWh battery energy storage factory by Tesla, which will only build Tesla Megapack systems for utilities, has been officially announced. In social media, Tesla provided a brief view of its future Lathrop Megafactory, which will be used to produce its best Megapack systems. The facility, which is situated in the industrial area of Lathrop, California, is regarded as the business strategic investment to advance its energy storage business, which is anticipated to account for a substantial portion of Tesla's overall revenue in the years to come. The huge factory will likely be the world's largest factory for making battery energy storage systems. According to several media sources, the plant has finished its building work and is ready to begin producing. Production has already started and output is being increased to reach its maximum potential. Tesla referred to the Megapack as a utility-scale energy storage system appropriate for power plants and utility corporations. Tesla asserted that Megapacks will work with its Power Hub and Auto-Bidder energy management and monitoring software for power stations. According to the business, the Megapack was created to satisfy the demands of massive battery storage initiatives like the Hornsdale Power Reserve. Tesla has made significant advancements at the Megafactory. According to reports, production at the Megafactory in California is currently quickly ramping up and has the capacity to make up to 25 Megapacks in a single day. Tesla just currently completed the construction of the Megapack facility in Lathrop and put it into operation. The facility is ramping up output, according to the report. Due to the falling cost of lithium-ion battery technology, large-scale battery storage options like the Megapack are becoming more economically feasible for utility companies to employ. In some jurisdictions, the shift to renewable energy sources has increased the demand for energy storage. Since solar and wind energy sources are less reliable than coal, natural gas, or nuclear power, it is possible to store electrical energy to meet demand during peak hours. Over the course of its lifetime, Megapack offers higher power and dependability at a cheaper cost. For greater effectiveness and safety, each battery module is connected to a separate inverter. Megapack improves with time thanks to over-the-air software updates. As pumped hydro projects often take longer to complete than battery projects, battery storage options like the Megapack can be used in circumstances when a quick deployment is necessary. Fast deployment has historically been a selling point for Tesla's utility-scale battery storage products. 40 gigawatt-hour per year is a huge capacity, considerably above what Tesla can now produce. The company has installed about 4.6 gigawatt-hour of energy storage systems, including Powerwalls, Powerpacks, and Megapacks, over the last 12 months. Actually, Megapacks with a capacity of around 3 GWh were the largest products. It delivered roughly 1,000 blocks, assuming 3 MWh per unit. Tesla released their 2022 financial results on April 20th. By a number of metrics including revenues, vehicle deliveries, operating profit, and an operating margin of over 19%. The first quarter was another record quarter for Tesla. After the first quarter, the company's remaining recourse debt was less than $0.1 billion. According to the firm, despite the increased interest in a sustainable future among the general public, they're still committed to expanding as quickly as possible. In the third quarter of this year saw new highs for Tesla's battery energy storage division, with revenues rising 38.6% year-over-year to $1.117 billion, or around 5.2% of the company's overall revenues. While the most recent data from Tesla shows that the cost of revenues is $1.013 billion. If the Megapack is made using a cell imported from CATL of China, the location in Lathrop would be ideal. Though it's hard to say, the usage of LFP batteries in ESS and all regular range vehicles actually calls for the construction of a cell factory close by. It might be on the table, or Tesla may have other plans to start its own LFP production in the future, in which case CATL's investment would be useless. The report also mentioned that Tesla has finished building a brand new factory that was only dedicated to producing Megapacks. In Lathrop, California, near already existing buildings, the company clandestinely constructed and put into service a building. Tesla started preparing the site for development in April 2021, and the building shell was completed at the end of February 2022 based on satellite imagery provided by Building Tesla. The factory's current focus, according to Tesla in the report, is on boosting output. Despite numerous market hurdles such as the limited supply of semiconductors and supply chain bottlenecks, the business announced a BESS deployment of 2.1 gigawatt-hour at the same time, a 62% year-over-year gain. The graph shows the spread of Tesla Powerwall, Powerpack, and Megapack systems across the world. Although compared to the revenue from EVs, the contribution of BESS to Tesla's total revenue is still insignificant. In the next few years, the robust demand for energy storage system in Western markets is anticipated to raise the former's contribution to roughly 10%. Tesla recently updated its Megapack configuration to list a 3.9 megawatt-hour capacity. This results in a single Megapack having around 50% greater energy capacity. But the battery system is now 6 feet longer and 60% heavier, weighing 83,996 pounds. It would suggest that while the Megapack's energy capacity has grown, its energy density has decreased. There are numerous advantages to pairing one or more batteries with a solar panel system on your own property, in addition to the advantages of installing battery energy storage at the grid scale. Even if there may only be one grid-scale solar plus storage system in the country, these kinds of systems are becoming more and more popular among home and business owners. The speculation is that Tesla is eyeing something like that. Tesla made the announcement that it would start selling standalone battery storage devices to customers and utility companies on April 30, 2015. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, said that the firm's battery storage products may be used to increase the dependability of sporadic renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Each Megapack, which was introduced in 2019, has a maximum storage capacity of 3.9 megawatt-hours. Each Megapack is a little smaller container than the ISO intermodal container in size. Megapacks, which are intended for use by utility companies, can be used to store energy produced by renewable energy sources. The grid can utilize the stored energy when needed, such as during periods of high electrical consumption. Each Megapack requires maintenance twice a year and once every 10 years. The annual maintenance comprises cleaning, inspections, paint touch-ups, ventilation and coolant tests, torque and calibration checks, and battery communication checks. It is necessary to undertake tasks like replacing the pump that powers the thermal management system, changing the door gasket, and topping off the coolant fluid during the 10-year maintenance. Each Megapack is anticipated to require maintenance for roughly 1 hour. Quick installation times and less complexity are made possible by the fact that every Megapack unit is completely constructed and ready to use. Systems come with a 20-year warranty and require little maintenance. Tesla has already produced other large-scale energy storage solutions in addition to the Megapack. The Powerpack, their previous product, has already been used in several places, most notably in South Australia, where Tesla built the biggest lithium-ion storage system in the world at the time. The 100-megawatt project offers the local grid significant advantages. As of the end of 2018, the project had decreased expenditures related to grid stabilization by roughly $28.9 million. The Tesla Megapack has a 14-fold greater energy storage capacity than the Powerpack, which only has a 210 kilowatt-hour capacity per unit. This is significant because it means Tesla may save money on large-scale storage installations. Building a single Megapack unit will probably be less expensive and take less time than installing 14 Powerpacks. Another thing that is worth mentioning here is that recent job advertisements from the Megafactory on Tesla's careers website indicate that there has apparently been more work in that regard. 37 job openings are presently available at the Megafactory in Lathrop. Although one job listing is for a production supervisor, body in white, a position generally designated for car manufacturing, not all of them appear to be for the Megafactory. Sonny Dhaliwal, the mayor of Lathrop, verified the existence of the previously unreported facility in a Facebook post. The post says that Lathrop is pleased to host the Megafactory since it'll be producing the green energy of the future there. What do you think? Is the Megafactory going to revolutionize the EV industry? Do you think this is a groundbreaking establishment? Let's know in the comments. That's it for the day, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one.